So, you want to grow your own food. So do we. Join us as we learn how to provide for ourselves in an urban environment. What is that again, babe?
These are all peas.
No, the big thing.
Trellis?
No, the big plant.
Oh, collard.
It's collard, and I've had it. Like I think I've said before, I've had that in an egg dish, and it was so good.
Collards and eggs?
Collards and eggs. I'm telling you, you want to go to breakfast, collards, eggs, and of course steak. You'll go all day long with that. Alright, so the trellis was here when we moved in, and then we put the nylon string across it just to make it workable.
For a pea.
Yeah, for a pea. Because peas gotta have something to climb up.
Pulling a small hole.
Okay.
Turning the pot upside down to expose the
Roots.
And then putting the plant into the hole.
And then it's in the hole and it's going to climb up the trellis.
Yeah,
all the way up.
Oh yeah, give me 1 second and you'll see a good example.
So then they just start to wind their way up?
These little tendrils will grab onto things.
Oh my gosh. Man, plants are so smart.
Yep.
What kind of peas are these?
Little Marvel and Sugar Snap are the two varieties.
Oh, Sugar Snap peas are the best, especially when they're cold. Right? Ice cold Sugar Snap peas?
Ice cold? I don't know. I've brought home Sugar Snap peas before.
Perhaps not ice cold Sugar Snap peas, but I'm remembering the flavor, so. Sometimes everything's better frozen. I don't know. Like little pancakes. You ever had little frozen pancakes?
No.
Well, that was part of my childhood anyway. Get a bunch of pancakes, stick them in the freezer, and eat them on a hot summer's day. That's how we did it because we were poor. Well, kind of poor.
I'm also breaking like a cardinal rule of raised beds by sitting in the raised bed itself.
Ooh.
You're not supposed to do that, but I don't have much of a choice.
Is it because you're compacting the dirt?
Yeah, that's why you're not supposed to.
Or is it just like they made up a rule and you're breaking it to be a badass?
It's the soil.
Badass gardener. Aren't they cute?
Well, some of them. Those are mosh, actually.
Oh,
Peas
okay.
or whatever.
Well, you know what? It's all green and beautiful. And it's very exciting to watch it move from small
Yeah, it's all been planted from seed.
to up potted right there. And here is all of the space that we have to grow delicious, wonderful food. Aren't you excited, babe?
I am, very much.
Oh yeah. I hear a baby. Let me go get the kiddo. Whoa! Goodness. Hey, move it, kitty. Let's go see. Little Munchie Man. Oh, he's not happy. Hey! Hi, there's Hunter. Waking up. Waking up. Alright. You ready? Ready to go see what Daddy's doing? Here we are, transplanting mosh. I got it right because you just told me what it was.
Yes.
What are some important things to remember when you're transplanting something?
Make sure you don't get any carbon material like wood chips or leaves in the hole.
Okay.
It'll steal nitrogen from the plants and the plants can't grow. Especially for leafy greens like mosh or lettuce or arugula over there.
Some of our plants are just so gorgeous. It's pretty amazing. We've been growing most of them inside, and then we take them out here to harden them for like a day, which means
harden for like
a week, which means you get them used to being in the outside, and you bring them out here for good. This is one of the first times we're putting, hey, don't kick my tripod, food that we've been growing inside, like in the ground. So it's pretty exciting because then that means that once it's all grown, we can eat it. Look at how beautiful and rich that is.
Yep.
Oh my goodness.
Peel some of the soil back.
That's what you get when you do lasagna gardening, is that correct?
This isn't lasagna gardening.
No. Okay.
No.
But this is using wood chips.
Yes, absolutely.
And to
wood chips is a mulch.
Yeah, to create really fertile, beautiful soil.
So push the mulch back.
So pretty.
Once you have the spot you're going to transplant to, you dig yourself a little hole.
All right. Yes, baby. Are you wanting to dig a hole too? Soon enough. Soon enough, you'll be all nice and dirty.
Drop your plant in the hole. Firm it back up.
All right.
And then once I get this other one back in, we'll replace the mulch.
Okay. Satisfying to get all the dirt off the pan food like that. Ooh, it smells like a pool. Oh my god, it smells so good.
Brand new hoses. That's why.
My gosh. It smells like eternal summer. Ooh, what is it?
Arugula.
Okay, do I pick up a little piece?
Yeah, just rip it off.
Nah, right there. See here. Aw. Dude. Oh man. That's so good. It's just like tasting God's handiwork. It's so good.